I'm Jamie Day, Assistant Service Manager at Williams JLR Land Rover. Before we got the car mover, it took about 8 lads. We had to stop work, essentially, gather up outside, find the vehicle, could be anywhere in the car park, and we'd have to push the vehicle in if it was rollable. If it wasn't rollable, we'd have to get the skates on the car.
By the time you've got skates out and then phone people to move cars and actually move them, that's quite a long process.
The car park's not that smooth either, so sometimes with the skates will be falling off, damaging the vehicles, difficult to push. We are a breakdown recovery hub for JLR, so any vehicle that breaks down in a local network does come to us.
Obviously, if we're on site during the day, then we would be able to tell whoever's dropping the vehicle off where to leave it. But sometimes we do get recoveries dropped off overnight, and they can be dropped in, let's say, spaces that aren't very convenient. So then we'd have to get our manual skates and then move the vehicles with a lot of technicians, which takes time.
We've trained a full workshop today. There's 28 of us, I think. It took about half an hour per training session. We've had about 5 or 6. The car mover will certainly save us time. That means it's going to save us money, productivity. 8 lads pushing a car in, half an hour maybe, there's 4 hours straight away saved.